Before moving further, we need our dashboard page, right? Whenever we logged in, so we will display our dashboard page, and then I'll work on this, that how we can navigate between home page, login page and register page. So let's go back, and here we are, and let me close this login, and I'm going to copy this home page stuff, and yeah, let's just collapse this, and I'm going to create a dashboard, right? Dashboard.view, and here paste the home page logic and make this dashboard, and say that you are logged in, right, as Laravel is doing this by default. So go here and say that dashboard, and there is no dashboard, so that's why it's displaying something like this. But you can say that how we can define the not found. So we'll build this here, that how you can do define the not found. So simply go here, and in the router you can define the not found here. And even I forgot that how to do this, I'm just doing this here. If it wouldn't work, so I will check that how to do this. So don't worry, if you know that how to find a solution from somewhere, it's okay. You are not hard disk, you are a processor, you need that how to process this information, so that's okay. And here I need that not found page, not found, right? And this should be the not found, something like this, not found. And let's import this here, import not found from the components, right? We need this from the components slash errors, right? I will create a errors directory, and in the error I'm going to say that not found, or we can say that 404.view, right? Something like this. And maybe it wouldn't allow us. Okay, it's not finding this not found. I'll create this in a minute. So first create the errors directory, and in the error I'm going to say that 404.view, right? And this will contain the page you are looking for is not found. It's my grammar is not too strong. Page you are looking for is not found, right? And we can also add here a button of go back. So add href, and let's say that class of btn default, and say that go back. Save this one, and it's still showing the error is all component 404. It's okay, you will now find this. Let me close this one and run this again. Sometimes it's stuck, right? But most of the time it will work. But if it's stuck, just refresh your page, go back, just give it a refresh. Now I opened the dashboard, and if it's not found, so it will open 404 page, and it's not opening the 404 page. Let's in the not found, I open this not found here, it's opening found. And maybe I need to add some, okay, how to add not found in Vue.js. Okay, so not found, I need to add this thing, right? So just go here and just slash any, save this one and give it a refresh, and the page you are looking for is not found, right? If I say that register, so it will open the registered page. Yes, opening registered. But if I say that dashboard, so it isn't found, so that's why I'm defining this like this. So now I want to design this little bit. So just copy this home page from here and to add this below first. Oh my god, I added the template twice time, so let's remove this one and then copy this information right, and add this out here, right, and let's move this here and say that not found, something like this. Refresh and the page you are looking for is not found, and it says that btn think default or something like this. Still my button is not looks. Let me add the primary or info. Yeah, primary is fine. Set this and go back. Let me add the space from the top, modern top 2, and yes, and here I need to add a go back functionality. How I can go back? And not found, the page you are looking for is not found, you can go back. But how we can redirect our user from one page to another page? So let's suppose we are on the registered page and I want to move from register to login page. So user don't know how to play with the URL, so we will add an option here to move to the login page or here, right? So just go here, close this one, and we have added the nav bar here. So let's open this nav bar, and in the nav bar it contains this nav bar. So we can also name this we can say that whatever authentication app, something like this, right? Save this one, and yes, it's applied. Okay, and now here this one is a home page where we have added this href to display this home, right, and it's currently active. So I want to now navigate without page refresh. So for the without page refresh, you need to replace this router with the router link, right? So router link, and also end this with the router link. And here this doesn't accept this href, it's accept a to property, right? By using this tool, let me add this here to make this easily readable to, and then here you can pass the /home. So let's give it a refresh. It's automatically refreshed, so don't refresh it again. So we are on the registered page, and if I click on this home, so it will direct me on the home page without page refresh. So let's see, clicked, and yes, I'm on the home page, right? And also I need to add here multiple things. So just go here and copy this again. I want to display the dashboard here too. Display the dashboard. So let's say that dashboard, and this should be also the dashboard, and remove this active class, and I'll add this active class later on to the all that whatever I'm visiting, so it will add the active class, but at that time I'm not going to add this. Remove these disabled till it's disabled, and here I want to add, I have added a search button. I don't need this input field anymore, so remove this one. And how much our video time? Oh, it's going bigger, so let me do it quickly. So I'm going to now say that I want to add this href, and in the href I want to say that use this class, right? Use this class rather than the button. Why I'm using this not using this button? Because I want to add the to property and router link, right? I can add this here too, but just keeping this simple. Okay, here I want to say that it would be the dashboard. Yeah, I don't want to add the dashboard here, right? So remove this, and I want to add this dashboard here, and in the dashboard I want to say that just to use this router link, and then also do this here, router link. So, and it's also required the to, and I'm going to say that dashboard /dashboard. Okay, save this one, and let me close this, refresh, and yes, we have a dashboard, right? And now I want to add another functionality. I add another button, login register, right? So just implement this login. This would be the register, right? Register, okay, and this would be the register, and this would be the login. Perfect, right? And here this would be the info, or maybe primary, and this would be the also the primary. Save this one, and yes, we now got the buttons, and we need to add the space between them. So I'm going to add this NBSP, which is used for us adding a space. Save this one and let's get refresh, and yes, we got a space, right? If you need more space, you can add this one more time, so it will add the more space, right? But it's in my case it's fine. Okay, but why my buttons are little bit top, right? So maybe I can add class of margin top. Oh, I don't know why it's happening, but it shouldn't happen, but it's happening. If I maybe 3, yeah, now they are in the center, but my width is also increasing. Say that 2, that looks so much fine. Yeah, but why I don't want to add the increase its width, right? So I need to add the padding top 82, but yeah, but still it's increasing the size, so I'll fix that later. And just now focus on, because our video size is going bigger, so I want to cover this instantly. So if I click on this login, yes, we are on the login page. If I click on this register, also make sure that it's doing without page refresh. Yes, login register, dashboard isn't exist, that's why displaying like this, home page, and yes, we are on the home page. So let's create a dashboard here. Yes, we created this dashboard, and we need to create the route of this dashboard. So just copy this and make this something like dashboard, and make this dashboard. Copy this and import and dashboard. From here we need to add overall the path component slash dashboard.view. Save this one, click on this dashboard, and yes, it's now opening the dashboard, login, register, and everything, right? So I'm going to go back to the home page, and from the next video I'm going to register my user. I'm going to submit this form and register my user into the database. So I'll also implement the sanctum stuff, that how we can create the token whenever we are registering our user, or we will probably do this in the login stuff, but you can also implement this on the register stuff too. So I'll show you that how to do them with the within both features. So thank you so much for watching the video. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.